You have wasted 2 or 3 of your days in which you could have done everything, and now you're here asking which teacher is the best. I'll tell you. आखिरी ये 2-3 दिन you have completely wasted in searching कि ये वाला one shot अच्छा है, is that one shot better, or which marathon is best, what you should do, what you can do. और ये करते now you have 2 days of time left and all the strategies that you want but no time to achieve that. करना क्या है अब? See, अगर you're still watching 5 घंटे वाले marathons and one shots, then let me remind you of one thing. अगर तुम वन शॉट देख के जाओगे तो तुम्हारे आधे जो इन्फॉर्मेशन होगी वो ब्लैंक आउट हो जाएगी एग्ज़ाम में जाके. बिकॉज SST इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट यू जस्ट वॉच, इट इज़ समथिंग दैट यू नो एंड यू अंडरस्टैंड. अब बात आती है हु इज़ द बेस्ट टीचर. देखो, नाम तो बहुत सारे हैं बट आई विल टेल यू दिस वन नेम विच इज़ द बेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. You are your best teacher, and unless you are willing to teach yourself and just rely on others, the pillar will fall. Remember this. You are your best teacher. Ab, you can spend time watching 5 घंटे के marathons, or you can read your NCERT 3 or 4 times in that duration. Choice is yours. I do not have to tell you कहाँ से तुम ज़्यादा retain कर पाओगे, which is pretty self-evident. और एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना, the more time you spend on watching marathons, you are just giving yourself studies as an excuse. तुम्हें लग रहा है कि you are doing something productive while you are not. One shots are good, they are only after you have done the bare minimums. Bare minimum है कि तुमने इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑलरेडी रिटेन कर ली है कि सरफेस लेवल जो इन्फॉर्मेशन तुम्हें चाहिए वो मिल जाएगी उन वन शॉट्स से. अनलेस तुमने कुछ भी नहीं किया और तुम्हें सिर्फ वन शॉट देखना हो. NCERT इज़ वेरी डूएबल. अब क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, वो तो मैंने शॉर्ट गाइड में अपने बना रखा है, बट यू डू नॉट हैव टू वॉच दैट आइदर. What you gotta do is be your own teacher. Is it possible in 2 days? It absolutely is. आज आधा दिन बचा है. In that you can read the NCERT, you can go through all the information, you can go through all the maps. Tomorrow you can revise, practice, do the important questions. If there is one session that I'll actually suggest, it is going to be Digrad sir का guest paper जो सुबह सुबह होता है. Other than that, I will not really suggest anything. Max to max you can watch rapid revisions sometimes या फिर map वाली video, but nothing other than that. You can watch any teacher if you want, as long as you are just using that resource as secondary. I will be coming live today at 6 p.m. So there is that, and do join my Discord server. It is in the description. Plus I'll be revealing my face at 10k. So there is that. Thank you so much, and it is still possible. Go for it. Aim for it. You can do it.